Good evening, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, there's big news from President Biden. The U.S. president has just revealed his new plan to take action and address the rising cost of living for millions of Americans. A new relief bill has also been proposed that would provide eligible seniors with a $200 one-time stimulus relief check. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video if you would like to claim a $200 stimulus payment. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And friends, I'll be announcing a winner tomorrow, so please stay tuned for the video. While pointing to robust June job numbers and falling gas prices, President Biden announced today that his economic program is working. During a White House event, President Biden stated, "Today, the Labor Department reported that we've added 372,000 jobs last month. Here is why it's important. Our private sector has now recovered all of the jobs lost during the crisis and added jobs on top of that. We have more Americans working today in the private sector than any day under my predecessor, more today than any time in American history." Friday's strong jobs report eased fears that a U.S. recession was imminent, though some economists cautioned that low unemployment and wage gains would not help tame sky-high inflation. Even as Biden touted the strong jobs numbers, polls have showed his popularity has been sharply diminished due to factors such as rising prices and crime rates. President Biden has also told reporters prices are too high. Families are facing a cost of living crunch. But today's economic news confirms the fact that my economic plan is moving this country in a better direction. The unemployment rate is a near historic low of 3.6%. Private sector jobs are at a record high. Gas prices have fallen now 25 days in a row. And this week, we saw the second largest single-day decrease in gas prices in a decade. So friends, what are your thoughts on President Biden's statement? Do you honestly think that Biden is doing enough to address rising inflation in our country? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Secretary of Energy Jennifer Granholm has met with top oil executives to discuss how their companies might help ease pain at the gas pump. But some analysts say it is likely the current price drop is related to the administration's lobbying efforts. So according to these experts, the falling price of crude oil and weakened demand have driven the cost of gas down, and the industry is also working through higher cost inventory. The White House doubled down this week, again calling for Congress to suspend the federal gas tax. A federal gas tax holiday would temporarily suspend federal taxes on gasoline. The result would be a price reduction of up to 18.4 cents per gallon on gas, and then 24 cents per gallon on diesel. Democratic lawmakers proposed a federal gas tax holiday in February. Now, some lawmakers expressed concerns that gas retailers would respond to a tax holiday by raising their prices. But consumers have already seen some savings in states where gas tax holidays were adopted this year. This includes the state of Connecticut, which suspended its 25 cents gasoline tax between April 1st and June 30th. If approved for all states, the federal gas tax holiday would be combined with state-specific tax relief to provide additional price breaks for consumers. This could be especially meaningful for drivers in states with the highest gas taxes, including California, where the combined federal and state tax rate on gasoline is about 70 cents per gallon. So, dear friends, do you think that our government will pass any form of legislation before the November midterm elections? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Dublin, Ireland. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Dublin, Ireland, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the likelier your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Some New York seniors can expect a little extra cash through a one-time payment of $200 as rising inflation continues to hit the country. The payments will come from Onondaga County, which saw its legislature approve the payments at this week's meeting. Those who are eligible include seniors who are currently receiving the New York State Enhanced STAR exemption for the 2022 to 2023 school year, which is about 27,500 households in the county. Democratic legislator Peggy Chase told reporters this week, "When we're looking at the cost of everything else going up, there's not a lot of flexibility, even if they give them a little bump in Social Security. The program is expected to cost $5.5 million, which will come from the county's fund balance." Going forward, Democratic legislator Bill Kine hopes to expand the program to low-income families. Other states across the country are seeking solutions to the rising cost of living. The New Jersey legislature voted to approve a $500 tax credit for families and children. Also, California Governor Gavin Newsom announced that he and state legislative leaders have agreed on a framework for the 2022 to 2023 state budget, which would include payments of up to $1,050. So friends, please comment below if your state or city is providing stimulus checks to their residents.
But they're still high enough to create a pinch on working families. One key thing about the infrastructure bill that just passed the Senate is there are no gas tax increases. No gas tax increases. I made that absolutely clear that I would not raise gas taxes. I'm glad everyone in the Senate seemed to agree with that. But that's not enough. Recently, we've seen the price that oil companies pay for a barrel of oil begin to fall. But the cost of gasolines at the pump for more American people hasn't fallen. That's not what you'd expect in a competitive market. I want to make sure that nothing stands in the way of oil price declines leading to lower prices for consumers. So today, my director of the...
Well, my fantastic and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly and truly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.